Hey everybody, welcome back. Another update on our Aventador here. Let's go ahead and take a look. So it's a rare rainy day here in Colorado. It's actually supposed to rain for the next 3 days, which kind of stinks, but that's okay. Let's go take a look at the car. So as you remember last time we got these side skirts on, so got those all mounted up and everything. They're growing on me. I really like them. The big thing that we've been doing though is we've been working on getting the headlights kind of Frenched in here, and then also making some mounts for them. So we had to kind of fab some mounting system up here for it, and then have some attachment points that we can attach the headlight. So we've done that. So it's in there nice and solid. We did that also on this side too, so welded all of that in. It's all tack welded in for now, but it's nice and solid so that we can get everything fitting properly. So the headlights fitting in there pretty nice. So do have a little bit of mismatch here, but we'll take care of that soon. So let's go see the next panel we've been working on, which is the front fascia. And I'm really glad that we're at this state. We've got the Rock and Roll Car Show coming up on the 15th of August. So really need to get this one done. This is going to be a big piece to get done. You can see over there, we still have the hood to do. So these are the last two panels I have to finish up before I can start working on wiring and getting it running again. So that's next on the list. We also want to do some of the interior parts too, so that we can show off the dash and everything in the system. So one of the other things we have going on is we got our LCD gauges doing our front display for the dash. And as you can see, it's pretty sweet. It's got the car there. He's going through some of the ways that you get into the menu system to select different modes in the dash. So we're going to have basically two modes. He has cruise here, but we're going to have sport and Corsa. And Corsa is going to have that accelerometer that you can see there in the middle. So I think it's going to be a really beautiful dash. So if you guys, any of you are doing a build, go ahead and contact LCD Gauges. I'll put the link in the description. That way you guys can find him. And it looks like an absolute amazing work. And we're looking forward to getting our dash very soon. So today we've been doing some more of the body work on the front fascia. As you can see, we've got some Duraglass on it. The Duraglass is used in case I have something that's maybe a little thicker than the 1/8 of an inch. Also, if you have 3D prints, raw 3D prints like I do have here, the Duraglass actually, if you put a nice thin coat on it, gives it a lot of structure and strength. So bear that in mind. If you're just gonna do straight 3D prints and not do the carbon fiber thing, a little layer of Duraglass on there really strengthens your part. Now you can also do fiberglass and other things too, but just something I've noticed with these, because this used to be quite floppy and now it's very rigid. So anyway, we've got also some body filler on the other areas that I still have to sand off, so I just put that on so it's still drying, and then we'll get on that. We'll do some glazing putty. It's going to take a while to get into some of these little nooks and crannies, so I'm going to have to get in there by hand. Not much choice there. And then yeah, we'll get it ready for painting, and hopefully we'll shoot it real soon. And then we're down to one panel left. Yay! So, well, there it is. We're making good progress. I think that be ready for the car show, and hopefully in the next couple of updates I'll be able to roll the car out and show it to you as it sits with all of the paint and everything. And then we can start concentrating on getting it running again and maybe doing some of the interior work. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And keep the comments coming. Love them. Thanks for all the support. You guys are awesome. So we'll see you next time. Bye.